In this video, I will show you the student panel. This is your student's home base in their Off2Class account, so it's important that you, as their teacher, also understand it, so that when they have questions, they can go to you to find what they need quickly and easily. At the top left-hand corner, you'll notice a yellow button where a student will click to join their lesson. You'll notice that in that same box, there is the name of the teacher, as well as the lesson that the teacher has launched. The first tab, called To Do, keeps a student's pending assignments top of mind so that when they log into their account, they know exactly what to do. This includes assessments, homework, and the placement test. The second tab, Completed Work, lists any work a student has already submitted. Here, the student can view scores and feedback provided by their teacher. The third tab, Lesson Slides, lists every lesson a student has taken in reverse chronological order. This is for the students who want to go back and review the lessons that they've taken synchronously when they get home to do their work asynchronously. I hope you enjoy using the Off2Class student panel with your students.